Hello, gay. What's up, honey babes? Welcome back to the Queendom. Welcome to the Queendom if this is your first time watching. Today, I'm here with my very first shower routine video. I'm so excited to share some tips and tricks with you guys. For me, this is more than just my shower routine. This is my self-care routine and how I like to relax and unwind from a long day. I like my water temperature just right, not too hot and not too cold. I do also love to hang eucalyptus in the shower. I feel it helps with my breathing and just a much more relaxing shower. Beware though, if you have pets, keep it away from them. It is toxic. And without further ado, let's get into this video. Okay, so first things first is these lashes gotta come off. I always bring a lash tray and a Q-tip with me into the shower. What you want to do is slightly wet that Q-tip, gently wipe it across the lash line, and then gently pull the lashes off. The water helps loosen the glue, making it easier to pull. First, I'm gonna go in with the Glow Recipe Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm. I find that this is the best cleanser that doesn't irritate my eyes, and I can really get the lash glue off. I know they say don't wash your face in the shower, but my water is not too hot, so I can. Next, I'm going to go in with this little face exfoliating pad that I got from Amazon and the Pacifica Seafoam Complete Face Wash. I feel that going in with a second face wash after I take my lash glue off is a necessary step to just wash away all the impurities from the day, because I was using that other wash to focus on my lashes. And I'm just going to use this pad for some extra exfoliation and a circular motion on my face. I feel it really gets in there and scrubs. Make sure you're not putting too much pressure when scrubbing your face. You don't want to irritate your skin. Okay, you guys, it is time to move on to my body. I'm going to start with the Native body wash in the scent Coconut and Vanilla. Also going to pair it with this exfoliating bath sheet that I got from Target. I always find myself trying different body washes and running right back to Native. It just leaves me feeling so clean and refreshed. You want to make sure you're getting a lot of pumps so you really can get a nice lather. I'm going to start washing my body in a gentle circular motion so you don't irritate your skin. You don't want to rub too hard because it is an exfoliating cloth. You want to make sure you're getting the neck, you guys. Always wash your neck. Make sure you guys are scrubbing all those creases and crevices. I do love this wash sheet because I can get to my back in all the hard to reach places. I actually do wash the washcloth about once a week. Just pop it in the washer and then hang it to air dry. Next, I'm going to go in with this raw sugar scrub in the scent Watermelon and Mint. I love natural exfoliating products, you guys, and I love anything in the scent watermelon. The washcloth is exfoliating, but it just doesn't do enough for the smooth skin I'm looking for. So I always go in with my exfoliator about every other day, you guys. And you just want to rub it across your full body in gentle circular motions, just like that washcloth. You always want to be gentle with your skin, never too rough, because exfoliators are abrasive. After I exfoliate, I always go in with this Method Pure Peace body wash to just wash off any excess exfoliant that still may be left over. Time for my foot care. I actually found this amazing pumice sponge at Marshall's, and it's a 2-in-1. So one side is rough and one side is actually infused with coconut oil soap to help clean and exfoliate your feet. A step I'm very happy to cut out of my shower routine is shaving. I wax my full body so I never have to worry about that. Listen guys, make sure you get into those toes, okay? Toes. You guys, it's time to move to cleaning down there. I'm all for natural products, so water in my hand does the job, you guys. I just find that using products down there throws off my pH balance and doesn't leave me feeling great. To complete my shower, I always turn the water down to cold and stand in it for about 30 seconds. It just leaves me feeling so invigorated. Now that my shower is over, I'm going to dry off my body and head to the sink area to apply my remaining products. Step 1 to moisturizing my body is starting with my Aveeno Daily Moisturizing Lotion. I just simply love Aveeno because it leaves my skin feeling so light and airy but keeps me moisturized all day and night. It's non-greasy and it soaks right up into my skin. Step 2 to moisturizing my body is my body oil. I actually got this body oil from my waxer. You guys can check her out on Instagram. I will leave her link down below. I find that using body oil in conjunction with your body lotion, it just helps seal in all that moisture and leaves my skin feeling so smooth. 3 focuses on down there. I love the PFB stick thing. It helps control ingrowns. It helps lighten the skin in that area. It's amazing. Now it is time to move on to my face routine. I'm going to start with the Thayer's Witch Hazel Rose Water Toner. I'm going to apply it to a cotton ball and just gently work it in circular motions and an upward motion on my face. Next step is my hyaluronic acid. I was using Glossier, but that is expensive to keep up with, so I switched to the Ordinary. And hyaluronic acid just helps regenerate your tissue, kind of giving you an overall exfoliation on the daily. Next, I'm going to go in with the Ordinary Buffet and Copper Peptide Serum. The copper peptides help with anti-aging all around. My skincare routine is solely based on anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, skin exfoliation, just making my skin look young because I don't wear any makeup. I'm then going to go in with the Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I just love Glow Recipe products. They just bring literally a glow to my skin. I'm going to finish off with the Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. This moisturizer smells so delicious, you guys, and leaves my skin feeling so soft and looks so glowy. I'm then going to end with the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This mask helps with anti-aging, glow, brings moisture to the skin. When I wake up in the morning, my skin is so shiny and glowy. One more step before I go, I have to exfoliate my lips. So this is a sugar scrub that somebody actually sent me. So what you want to do is just wet your finger in your lips and rub in a circular gentle motion for about 30 seconds. I then like to finish off with Aquifer. Aquifer just brings so much moisture into my lips. I want to thank you guys for tuning in to my very first shower routine video. If you enjoyed, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.